Dude, what even is a stop hunt? First, you need to understand what the market makers are targeting. Look at this chart. See this previous low? This is where liquidity gathers. We call this a liquidity pool. Think about it. Where do most people place their stop losses? Right below a key level, like a previous low. As more and more traders place their stops there, a huge amount of liquidity builds up. This becomes a cluster of stop-loss orders. Now, watch this. This is the stop hunt moment. Price makes a sudden, sharp move downwards, hitting all those stop losses. It wicks down, takes out the stops, and then ... boom. That quick, aggressive move is the stop hunt. It's designed to grab all that available liquidity, and right after the stop hunt, the real move begins. The market maker, having collected all that liquidity, starts pushing the price in the opposite direction. The market reverses and starts its actual, intended trend. So, when do these stop hunts usually happen? They are most common during high volatility periods. Think about the London session open, the New York session open, or right when major news events are released. These are the times you need to be extra careful. Now, let's talk about the most common mistake traders make. They all place their stop losses in the exact same obvious spot. This creates a predictable target for market makers. Putting your stop where everyone else does is like painting a bullseye on your trade. So, what do smart traders do? They do the opposite. A pro trader waits for the stop hunt to happen. They let the market sweep the liquidity below the low. Once they see that aggressive rejection and the price starts to reverse, that's when they enter the trade. They enter asterisk after asterisk, the sweep. To put it in simple words, first, the stop hunt happens to grab liquidity. Then, the real move begins in the opposite direction. It's a classic trap, and now you know how to spot it. If this finally makes sense, comment below. Now I understand liquidity. I'd love to see how many of you got that aha moment. For more videos on smart money concepts and liquidity, make sure you subscribe to Crypto Vision Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.